Hey guys, today we're going to recharge the AC on this 2009 Chevy 2500HD with the Duramax Diesel engine. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. I'll also have affiliate links down in the description below. Okay, first thing we need to do, start the vehicle. Then you're going to turn your temperature all the way to the coldest setting. Turn your AC on by pushing this button here, the light will come on, and then turn your blower speed all the way up. Now our low pressure AC port is right here, so we're going to take off this black cap and put that somewhere safe. Then we're going to take our recharge tool here, linked in the description below, and we're just going to press this onto that fitting. It'll kind of snap on there and you'll hear it click. At least you'll feel it anyway. So this system is a little bit low. You'll hear the AC clutch kick on right there, and the needle's going to drop down. Eventually it's going to pop off and the needle's going to come back up. Just like that. So what we're going to do to refill this system a little bit is just squeeze the trigger and hold it. You'll notice the dial does not read when the trigger is depressed. We're just going to squeeze the trigger, oscillate our can between 3 o'clock and 12 o'clock. Just keep holding the trigger here. You're going to do this as long as you need to do to get that needle to just stay steady, right at about 40, 45 psi. Anywhere in the green, at the top of the green is best. So you're going to do that as long as it takes. This can's getting a little bit empty. We'll put what we can in here. Alright, so this can's empty, but you can see this is what we want to see here. That needle just solid and not moving. It means you've got enough refrigerant in there to keep the compressor running the whole time without it shutting off. Ideally, you'd like to have that needle up here around 45, 50, but this will work for right now. So if this video is helpful, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. And feel free to check out those affiliate links down in the description below. Thanks for watching and have a good one.